Let's talk about another interesting tool that called AI Supermodel. In AI Supermodel, you can insert your mannequin or other model and then turn it to the real person image. You can upload your image here, any of these images, but it has to be mannequin, like something like that, something like this. And you can see the brush tools will be open, and you have to for example, we wear these classes to this mannequin, and we want to replace this mannequin to real person. So with auto selection, we keep these parts, means we want to keep these classes, and we want to replace it. Make a zoom, and we want to replace this to no. You can control Z. We want to replace these places, these classes, brush it to real person. Nice. Make sure that you're brushing these parts. We want to keep these classes. It's a little bit tricky, but that's nice. Okay, we want to keep. Zoom in, and then you can prompt. For example, we want that, we want this, but you can use a model option first. For example, you want to replace it with this female. We can see the area, which female, for example, any other, for example, African, East Asian, Middle Eastern, or anything that, for example, this, or something like that. You can see, you can select that. Then you have to select hairstyle, this. Then select age, teenager. Then select the size that you want, XXL, any size here. Then select expression, calm, happy, yes, happy, or other expression in face. Classes. No, I don't want to choose any classes because I want to replace. You can see your tags are here. And then you can choose a background, indoor or outdoor. Outdoor. For example, because there are snowy, I like, for example, this. And then face reference. If you cannot describe which face do you want to, you can use a face reference, your face, your image, or other image. But for example, you have to upload your image. Here, make sure that your pose is exactly, for example, this direction. Your pose have to adapt with the mannequin, okay, to achieve better result. But let's the AI doing its work. Precise, it's exactly the thing that you are gonna want. And the fast mode, let's generate to see what happened. To see what happened, it's very easy. We mask them. It means we want to keep these classes and replace the background and this person. And let's see what happened. And nice, you can see the background is changing, and this will be our image. Nice. So if you go into the model, you can see you have to select one of these, or classes, for example. Let's choose another classes. Let's see, it will be change the classes or not, because we want to wear this, for example, these classes that are wearing a mannequin, to replace it with a real person. Nice. For example, here, if you make a slider, you can see, interesting. You can replace your face. Nice. You can see it does not change the classes because we are masking. So in model, classes are not important in this case. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.